Let us now talk about the free versus premium plans and which of the ones do you need. Well, we'll explore the differences between Trello's free, standard, premium, and enterprise plans. By the end of this session, you will know exactly which plan suits your needs, whether you're managing personal tasks or leading a large team. So, why does Trello have multiple plans? Trello offers multiple plans to cater to different user needs. As you can see, there is a free plan, a standard plan, a premium plan, and an enterprise plan. Different user needs means individuals and freelancers for those managing simple workflows, small teams for growing groups that need more collaboration tools, larger teams for businesses requiring additional features like automation and analytics, and enterprise plans for organizations needing top tier security and scalability. So that answers why do we need multiple plans. Let's have a quick look at the Trello's plans. Free plan is ideal for personal projects and simple team setups. Standard plan adds features like unlimited power-ups and advanced checklists. Premium plan includes timeline views, automation, and admin controls, whereas enterprise plan offers organization-wide features and enhanced security. Let's take a closer look at each of the plans. Trello free plan, unlimited boards, lists, and cards. Single power up per board. Let's have a look at it here. Unlimited cards, up to 10 boards per workspace. Unlimited power ups per board. Unlimited storage, 250 workspace commands, custom backgrounds. So that's for the free plan. Standard, you get unlimited boards, whereas in free you only get 10 boards. You get advanced checklists, you get custom fields, which is not in the free. So this is basically everything in free plus unlimited boards, advanced checklists, custom fields, unlimited storage, 250 MB per file, 1000 workspace command runs, and single board guests and saved searches. Fun fact, over 60% of Trello users start with the free plan and stick with it for basic workflows. The standard plan, unlimited power-ups, advanced checklists. So unlimited boards, advanced checklist, unlimited power-ups is available now on the free plan also, so that's not here. Yeah, priority support, get faster responses to any technical issues. The standard plan priced at $5 per month is perfect for small teams. The plan is ideal for teams that need more collaboration features without the complexity of enterprise level tools. Then you have the Trello premium plan that is for $10 a month. Everything in standard plus calendar, timeline, table, dashboard, and map. Unlimited workspace command runs, Atlassian intelligence, admin and security features, workspace level templates, collections, observers, and simple data export. Meaning you only get the AI features of Atlassian or Trello when you are in the premium plan. For larger teams or those managing complex projects, the premium plan at $10 per user per month. Teams using premium plan features reports saving an average of 8 hours per week on manual tasks. So that's premium plan for you. Then finally we have the enterprise plan. It's designed for large organizations and offers top tier functionality. Key features include unlimited workspaces, enterprise automation, and enhanced security. So if you look at the enterprise plan, everything in premium plus unlimited workspaces, organization-wide permissions, organization visible boards, public board management, multi-board guests, attachments permission, power up administration, free SSO, and user provisioning with Atlassian card. So that's there with the enterprise plan. Pricing for this plan varies depending on the size of your team, but it's invaluable for companies needing scalability and security. So which plan is right for you? Free plan? Stick with the free plan for personal projects or if you're just starting out. Standard plan, upgrade to standard if your team needs more collaboration features like power-ups, which is now also available on free plan. Premium plan, choose premium for automation, advanced views, and Atlassian AI, which is an attractive thing. Enterprise plan, go for enterprise if you are managing large scale multi team projects with a focus on security. So, that concludes, and I hope this answers as to which plan is a right fit for you. Key takeaways: free plan, great for simple projects. Standard plan, advanced checklists, and so on. Premium plan offers automation, timeline views, and advanced permissions. And enterprise plan scales features for large organizations. Should you have any questions on which plan should you go for, hit me in the Q&A section or in the communities, and I'll be there to answer you. Until then, have a great and wonderful day.